Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to learn the Russian Cyrillic on Duolingo. Now you're on Duolingo app, you've chosen version as the language you want to learn and you now want to learn the Cyrillic. You just look down right here and then you click on the one that had symbols. Now just need to click learn the letters. They'll show you a whole lot that you're going to teach you and you just start your lesson. Of course, you have to trace the characters. Make sure you remember them. Normally, they can talk about some, but for some reason, they are not talking right now, which is quite weird. Not gonna lie. Of course, at times, Duolingo decides to just, greet you. I got a perfect streak, as you can see. And with that, you have learned a little bit of Russian. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.